Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new in my craft room, then welcome. Sorry I haven't been on here for a week, but I've had so much pain in my leg from my knee being injured. It's just been awful. They gave me some medication, of course, for pain and stuff, which I can't take. I took one and I'm done because it made me feel so dizzy and sick. I couldn't take it. And then this knee started affecting my nerves, which, guys know I have CIDP, which is a nerve condition to begin with. So that was shooting pain down to my ankle, up to my own back almost, and it was awful. But now I have medication it's just making me feel loopy, and I just want to sleep a lot. But it got rid of the nerve pain, because that was awful. So now just my knee hurts. I don't have the nerve pain right now. Knock on wood. I go for my MRI next Saturday, 6:15 in the morning. It's like, really? Anyway, that was the closest one I could get, so I took it. And then I go see the orthopedic doctor on the 17th, like the week after. So hopefully they figure out what they're going to do here, because this is awful. It just hurts, and my knee's just clicking and snapping, and I don't know what I did to it. I did something to it when I fell, so we're going to have to wait and see. But anyway, trying to get things done. I got a lot of wrapping done for Christmas, and I got a lot more I need to do. But it really hurts when I just sit for a while, too, so I don't sit and do that too much. And it hurts even worse if I try to stand and do it. It's because I really can't put a lot of pressure on that leg, because it really is messed up. So anyway, that's why I haven't been here all week. I've just been sitting here dealing with this and feeling sorry for myself and all that stuff. Because it seems like every time with this condition that I have, things get better, then it's just something else. Just nonstop something else. But anyway, we're going to keep pushing through this because I got stuff to do. I ain't got time for all this stuff. Let me show you what I picked up. I only picked up 3 things from Aldi's. They had so much really cool stuff, and they usually do in that section. So I just took a bunch of pictures. I don't know if I got all the prices on everything because I was dying walking through that store. I need to get my scooter back out again, which I hate because I feel like, I don't know, I just hate the fact that I have to use it. That's what it is. But anyway, they had a ton of stuff. So I'm going to flip this down here. I'll show you this stuff, and then I'll put up pictures from Aldi's, and then after that I'll bring in Little P so he can say hi, and everybody's missed him. And yeah, so let me flip this camera over here and show you the couple things. Alright, I picked up a couple of these tins of popcorn. My daughter said something last week about, oh, remember when we used to always get those cans of popcorn? I haven't had them in years. And yeah, we used to get them. A lot of people used to gift these. This was kind of the gift you got when you didn't know what to get somebody. Believe me, that's what I did anyway, because it was just easy. But these are really pretty. It's actually very heavy. These are really pretty. They have a bunch of pretty little tins there. And these were, what, $6.85 a piece. So I got that one, and then I got, oh, let me switch over here. That one would be for my daughter, Jessica. You guys watch her channels. Some of you, I guess. She likes snowmen. And then I got this other one here for my other daughter that has a train on it and a Santa. Isn't that pretty? They're very nice large tins. I love these tins too. I've had a lot of these that I used for storing stuff in. So they come in handy too. There you go. So I got that. And then the other thing I picked up that they had, this is for my great-granddaughter. You probably know about her too from my daughter's channel, Avery, for her birthday. It's a pillow and blanket set. Look at this pillow. Isn't that adorable? And I know she loves Minnie Mouse, so I got that for her. And then it comes with this really cute, there's a picture of the blanket. You can see better because I don't want to unwrap it because it's going to be a present. But I thought that was adorable. And that was $19.99. So there you go. Cute little gift for her. But that is all that I bought besides food. We bought a lot of, food stuff. I got chicken and stuff there, and I got, I get toilet paper from there because I like theirs the best, and lots of other just stuff like that. Nothing exciting. But anyway, I'm going to go show you the pictures here, and then I'll bring in little P. All right, here's the little P. Say hi, everybody. Everybody missed you. So I got my beak all trimmed up. We didn't do the toes because he fell again and hurt his freaking same foot. It was just getting better. I mean, it was perfect. He was climbing, jumping, doing everything else. It finally got better. And then he was sitting on the desk by my husband, and I don't know if he saw something out the window, if it was a hawk or something. He just dove to the floor. And now he's really favoring that same foot again. So, I think that he just re-sprained it. It's like, oh my. Luckily he doesn't have any broken bones or anything, because, you know, he's going to be the death of me, this bird. Anyway, I have Layla in here. I'm going to scoop P back real quick here and try to pop her little head in here, because everybody's been asking about my little Layla. Say hi, everybody. No, over here, everybody. See, look. Up here. Look. No? Layla. Say hello, everybody. Say, I'm doing wonderful. Say, I have a sister now, too. We'll have to bring her in so she can say hello. Yeah, we haven't introduced her yet. No. We don't know. Should we introduce your sister? Yeah, okay. Kisses? I love kisses. But should we introduce your sister? What do you think? I don't even know where she's at. We go get her. Come on. P, you stay here and talk to everybody. Can you talk to everybody? No, don't get down. I'm going out there to go get, all right, well, you sit there and Just watch. What are you doing? He's literally laying down, looking on the floor. All right, let me go find her. I'll be right back. You sit here and whistle pretty for everybody. Good, whistle. Get away, dogs. There you go. I gotta find Aldi. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna have to cut that. I forgot this thing was still recording. Anyway, here is little Miss Bella. Say hello. She's a, they call her Blue Merle Chihuahua. Say hi. She has on her surgery suit because she just got spayed. Huh. So I said, I'm not happy. I has to wear this stupid surgery suit. But it covers up her incision and she can still potty and everything. And these are so much easier than that stupid cone they have to wear. I know you're sleepy. I woke you up and you was sleeping, huh? Was you sleeping? She's so sweet. She's just so playful and so sweet. The hello. So I'm 6 months old. That's why I had to go get my spay done. And they had to pull out a couple little baby teeth because Chihuahuas tend to get teeth that are overcrowded in their mouths. So I had to pull 2 of her baby teeth out because they were not moving and they weren't coming out, and the other ones were crowding in. So to cause less problems in the future, they just, while she was under, they did it. So it was all, hi everybody, look at you. You don't like to look at yourself, but you're beautiful. Put them big ears up. Yeah, she's just not feeling good. She's all drugged up too on pain meds, aren't you, honey? Yeah, what do you think, Pig? Huh? Everybody's just a mess. She's got her boo-boos. You got your boo-boos. I got my boo-boos. We all got boo-boos. Oh, goodness. What do you think, Pig? Why are you shaking? I'm not... She's like, why am I in here? Look, you got to put them big ears up. Sorry, see them big ears you got. Your ears are bigger than your... Here, we do. Usually they're up like that, but she's nervous right now, so she's putting them down. Well, yes, this is Layla's sister, Bella. Yeah, hi, Bella. No, you're too nervous. I'll take you back out of here. All right, we go out. P, you come over here. Talk to everybody again, because every time I walk away, that's when he'll do whistles. All right, come on. I put you back out underneath it. Hi, now. I'll be right back. Don't worry. I'm not gonna forget you. Okay, Lula. I'm coming. You whistling for everybody? You're so funny. He always does that when I walk away. From downstairs or something, he's in the kitchen on his play stand. He just sits there the whole time and does his little whistle like, hey, you forget me? Yeah, will you stop hurting that foot? I really need to cut your toenails. But I don't want to hurt him, so we'll wait again. Ooh, sorry. Yeah, you and this foot. You and this foot, or actually it's more like a shoulder thing, I guess, for a bird. See, it's really not my foot. But other than that, he's been good. He's been good boy. Tell everybody you've been good boy. Yeah. My dog's out there barking at me. My other dog. Everybody's like, oh, you got another dog? And I'm like, well, yeah, you know. We lost Zeus, our German Shepherd. I said, of course I had to fill in. We're just downsizing to smaller dogs. Because my Shepherd, he was a huge boy. He was 110 pounds. He was a big, big boy. Huh. Yeah, we miss Zeus. Yes, we do. So now we got little ones. So you figure 2 little chihuahuas, you know, still not even as big as a shepherd, so my logic. Right, P? Alright, we're gonna let everybody go. And we'll see you guys all next time. I'm not sure what that will be. We'll see if I can get out. I really, really want to get out to the Dollar Tree. I had to go to Aldi's because we needed stuff like fruits and vegetables, all that stuff for the birds too, so I had to get there. And I was done. I couldn't even think about going to a Dollar Tree, but hopefully this week, maybe I'll drag the old scooter out and off I'll go, because I get bored, and, you know, I gotta do something, P. But I gotta get these presents right. But anyway, let me let you guys go. I could yak on for hours, you guys know that. But thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little haul and these little animals here. And we will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, P.